Hey everyone, is DroidCam not connecting to your computer? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get DroidCam working again, so let's get started. First, make sure your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network if you're using a wireless connection. If you're using USB, check that the cable is securely connected and that USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. Next, restart both the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your computer. Yeah, a quick restart often fixes temporary connection issues. Now, double-check the device IP address and port number shown in the DroidCam app. Enter the exact same information into the DroidCam client. Even one incorrect number can prevent the connection. If it's still not working, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and try connecting again. Sometimes security software blocks DroidCam from communicating over the network. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of both the DroidCam app and the PC client. Updating both applications can fix compatibility problems and known bugs. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and computer, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and try again. In most cases, this resolves persistent connection issues, and that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix DroidCam not connecting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next